No LT swap video series would be complete without a nice cup of coffee. How's it going, guys? Me and my dad are on our way down to Texas right now to buy an engine and transmission for the 1987 GMC Sierra Classic. Found it on Facebook for a pretty reasonable price, so I'm heading down there to check it out right now. But it's not just any engine, it's the L86 Gen V Chevrolet engine with the 8L90 transmission. So we're gonna check it out, see if it's worth purchasing. And this L86 motor is the LT1, but it's the truck version, and it's about a 420 horsepower, 460 foot-pound of torque engine, stock. So we'll see where it's at with a aftermarket cold air intake and an aftermarket exhaust once it's in the truck. So, but I'll have to get a programmer for it and work out some bugs. But I think this is going to be an exciting project, though, because we're going to be putting literally the newest generation of Chevy engine and transmission in a Classic. And I plan on videoing the whole thing and taking y'all through the whole experience. If y'all want to follow along, go down and hit that subscribe button and like this video and turn on the notifications. Alright, we're back on the road here. We had some technical difficulties. This awful road here in Texas broke our strap with that motor bouncing around on the trailer back there. So we got that resolved, but hopefully we won't have any more straps break on this trip. Back into Oklahoma. Maybe the road will get a little smoother. That's something I never thought I'd say, but I think it is a little smoother.
That is.
Yeah, okay. Never thought I'd say it, but I'm saying it. The road in Oklahoma is better than the road in Texas. So
That was terrible.
maybe we won't have so many strap issues now. Finally made it home with the new engine for the truck. While we were getting the engine, I forgot to video and show y'all what all I looked at to make sure it was a good engine that I wanted to actually purchase. So I took a look at a couple things. One thing I looked at was I verified that the engine and transmission were what he was saying they were in the post. So one way you can do that is by looking at the VIN number, and the 8th digit in the VIN number is where you can identify what type of engine it is. Also, to determine if this is the earlier generation of LT, 2014 to 2016, or the 2017 and newer, I had to take a look at the fuel pressure sensor. If it had 4 wires, it was the 2014 to 2016. If it was 3 wires, it was the newer edition. And that's important so that I know what wiring harness and everything I need to get for this motor. Also, there's a 6.2 that's casted on the block itself, so that also is kind of a dead giveaway. For the transmission, the 8-speed does not have a detachable bell housing. It's all one unit. all the way to the motor. Another way you can tell is if you look at the wiring harness plug on the transmission. The 8-speed has a whole lot more wires than the 6-speed. The good news is, guys, we're getting some nice cool weather, some nice football weather actually. It's gonna be perfect for working on this LT swap into the GMC, so I'm excited. Y'all see that? God, she's beautiful. I'm exhausted. It's been a long day. By the way, I apologize if I have literally the worst videoing skills in the world, but hey, can only get better from here, right? We'll see. But all right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day.